You know right, assassini, airport and Timaya, Mojana Nanum Shegu Edigu on my yay.
Mimobi bi akwaba eba Melodies TV so. Earlier on today, me the story bi bremo say Kennedy Japan kwa ena trese why na adwen say wono the defense ye ka defense pan dia wo ya ade. Nti asem wa ye ni na ye kan say President Akufo-Addo use over 2.8 million Ghana cedis. E de akwa kofa plane akwa akwaje bosua enye no. Kennedy Japan ena oba abonten ebe ye analysis. Analysis na wo ye no opeso trend say President Akufo-Addo tools as car no okoye no okonya aska nti Ghana fo ni kwan say ye complain na ni refi ne ho say sika na President Akufo-Addo koji ye no eye double eka because enye sika ye dem in free eye sika ye betua ho na ye tua ho nsi ho kra ka ho nti I didn't understand why Kennedy Japan, who we all know as an astute businessman, would speak this way he did. But for some reason, I felt that I was the only person who wasn't deciphering what Kennedy Japan was saying right. Now, if you say, ebi ame na man na asem wase, not knowing a pro Kennedy Japan media page. Now, me can say pro Kennedy Japan media page, and I say ebi a womu yewe, but mostly Kennedy Japan de asemba, ya na nkrofo womu support Kennedy Japan. Womu kra ete asem no ato mo so, ama womu kra ba bontia ba be kasa womu pese womu trese, hey! Asem way Kennedy Japan ken die ye supporting one same bebre mu man so asem way wakwa ken die yesre no we are not sure this is coming from him, just as the way I was shocked say a businessman would be speaking the way he did. Maybe we name the air koso, but the brief and mama no ebia still won't hear someone say the AC say President Akufo-Addo private jet a week ago okuja to ablakwa ebetre say President Akufo-Addo the normal presidential jets are a war on when use but nebianto no now so Akufo-Addo in use we use Ghana ska 2.8 million Ghana cedis and our de far jets I would do kwanya wakoje bosuan bae. Kennedy Japan say Ghana for a year complaining Ghana for a year complain more kasama MP because asem ne bae no aban emba bontin be kan say asem ne yentro wo mo kasama aban wo bia beso be kasa wa asem ne ho. In fact nkrofo wo mu defend aban kra ba bontin aba be kase sa revelation na okuja to black wa be make ye no eye ne kre. Kennedy Japan say mo wo be kan ne kra no indirectly wo no kra tre say eye ne kre because the kan ne say yes President Akufo-Addo spending 2.8 million a wo koye no wo konya abosia ebae okoji sika ebae inti no emfaso aba wo ho. Na this group mema watias and a lot of people have commented, so I want us to just go through this and read the comments eba from Ghanaians on sa explanation ni and that defense here Kennedy Japan yes will defend them. Me say Kennedy Japan will defend the President Akufo-Addo e won sem bebre na so asem we nko ade defense no etonsium defense ni tonsium angela what the defense ne buy no na and you see that happens when you can't defend the indefensible and now when you try to defend the indefensible when them say asem bi wo ho a we ye den kan asem we ya asem bi a any kwan say we defend it na so Kennedy Japan kwa no person wo no nko defend asem no ene na ma ende nkrofo di na temu a enya atem de ketwa ama wa shock nkrofo bi a na wo mo support no kra say hey we die na ye trust o na so asem we a wa ba be kan kwa de ama ye hu say da bi. Now, asemwa group no editu dwane. Now, sa group we eye group bia. Embra na Kennedy Japan na sa page we ye page. Embra na Kennedy Japan ni obi nim ni we no. Na almost support Kennedy Japan kesiye. Interna make say a pro Kennedy Japan media. And you say it belongs to Kennedy Japan, but Kennedy Japan asem bia ba eya wo mo kebi ma no. Na so asem we nko ade. Ase wo mo kra eto mo so. Into wo mo posti explanation na Kennedy Japan man. Now this is what they said. Was it coming from Honorable Kennedy Japan? My goodness. Group no your friend akonkonsa for. Group ni di no akonkonsa for. Was it hey into the same way every Kennedy Japan ho. My goodness, just like what I said. A hona will be a target smart TV and I will be so be target Chini Jonas. Now let's go into the comments and see what Ghanaians said. Obisi, he should get out from there, fool. Into Obi Ebedi Kennedy Japan and them say Sabi won free honko na we Jimmy asemo a wo bi be kan no and you are seeing it right in front. E to le bia me read comments bi mamo na atemdidie wo mu a eya na ebia me show screen into eya na ye nkrofo say me na media atem no, but you are seeing it right in front of you. Obi nso asemo a wo be kan wo say this guy isn't sensible at all. Where you obi a say your friend Kofi Selassie. I say this guy isn't sensible at all. These people cry, hey, you are going for a loan which you wouldn't even use for anything better than sharing it among yourself. And you are there talking stupid. Is the money he got free? A loan that we will pay with interest. And I say a loan that we will pay with interest all. And because of that, he can take an expensive flight. Even aside that, assuming there wasn't a presidential jet or something, like fine. What sort of country is this? We are failing, oh, we are failing. You are so dumb, a man. Honestly, thoughts, gray hair meant wisdom, but yours is something else. Obi nso atem didi a wo be di Kennedy Japan atem say, hey, asem we Kennedy Japan wo ken die. Nyansa enimu. Na asem ne say, Ghana presidential jet e wo ho. Aboni bia nto no. Na president akwa sika we akwa sa expensive jet we na wo be defend aka say ane okonya sika ba ya ntino it's worth it. Na ne pakone ka say sika na president na de ba no eye bosia a ye betua ho nsi hu ntino eye kamom na wo de be ye so na ba ne say na Kennedy Japan nko ade wo kasa say na ne pakone wie asem a wo kan ne say wono de no ofi say edwene nipa utinhwi unya adwene a na ebia we sia nyansa nanso we hu ne say daabi enye sa na tie. You read it or you saw the person inti na masha da de che mu nim no. Now obi nso dia wo be kan ni o say this man he dey correct. Aren't we going to pay the loan back or it was given to us for free? And also the question I will be beside obi nso asem wo be kan was say funny and ignorant analysis. Obi nso atre say we be di Kennedy Mrs. Our defense we nko Kennedy Japan akomayi ono abehun say dabi. There was a reason why MPP communicators, in fact information minister Kojo Oppong kra no asem we one bar bontin be kasanfa ho. There was a reason why government President Akufo-Addo the communicators one bar bontin be kasanfa asem we ho. What the MPP ni bi say wo kasanfa asem we ho e wo radio so. There is a reason why they are all silent on it. But what Kennedy Japan nko a be defend it? She be bia wo de afa. Sisi ahwe wo mo ana wo mo ke bi ma o. Hwe senya wo mo di natem anya atem didi eketwa. Obi nso say we talking because we bought him a presidential jet. Why didn't he use that one? Obi nso question a wo bisa Kennedy Japan no. Obi nso say the money wasn't given free of charge. He borrowed the money. And I say what dey ebufuo emojis ebeto ho. Obi nso say don't be surprised. We a fix Ghana. I say don't be surprised. Obi nso say this pussy. Hey, I say this pussy is a fucking liar. Fucking thieves. Atres wonu nso edi Kennedy Japan a enya atem didi ketwa. Odi na temo enya atem didi ketwa. Obi nso say summarizing Kennedy Japan's analysis on this Akufo-Addo's private jet renting. Total foolishness. I say what and someone Kennedy Japan e kan wasem we hu de o hwa. Say a total foolishness. A Jiminsem totally and someone can no. But you see, where's no? I said, what the battery moi? It sounds too rude. It sounds too rude. Obi say, everyone the chop Sam, chairman, it be the more crazy. Chop Sam, make a chop Sam. Kennedy go get his own share, of course. And someone will be a canon. Obi also say, this man is really overrated. He know they make sense a bit. How can you waste $500K on a trip to borrow $170 million? Are you okay at all? Bibini, And also any assemwa will be at the buy actress. Or also Eddie Kennedy Japan at them. So clearly, no, you could see, sir, not even a single person was speaking in favor of Kennedy Japan. Commenter a buy no will be a Eddie at them. Let's see whether there are more comments. Obi also say very useless comments. Obi say Kennedy. Another Ghana problem. Obi say this is coming from his stomach. Just what say same way there if we Kennedy Japan nefu. Obi also say this liar only makes noise when it favors him. Stomach politicians. Obi also say let him use his own pocket money. Then we will not talk about it. We suffering. no job. Can't you see? And he's using the money for private jets. Who does that? Obi nso say nkwasiafo mo be brepa. Inkrofo maza. I see, now I know him. Ken is a coward like his colleagues. You go and borrow money and tell us it's good for Ghana, whilst you spend your gbemi to rent a plane. Shame on him. Into your obia someone can say sisia de we hu say Kennedy Japan you obia we hu fo papa. Ade we a esia enye just say waba abonti no we be defend. Obi nso say so spending money to go bring debt, is that supposed to be a favor or what? Chale, I always tell my friends, let's make money and go live on an island. Na Ghana there is now beyond saving. I say, stupid man with his cheap talks. Obia someone can know. I say, talks are no point. Chia. I say, I am really disappointed. Hypocrites. I know for sure that if it was the other political parties, he certainly would have painted them black for this action. Exactly what I said. So that defense where Kennedy Japan my President Akufo-Addo ya same one me kan say na ka ye mahama and at the time we call rent private jets be say and o de kwaje bosia na ka ya so ento yen wo man Ghana mu eno na wo bi nso aka no. I say now Jonas is doing what Kennedy did and we laugh and Kennedy is lost. Obi o say sisi ade ana Kennedy Japan wo ye ne first a wo mo supporting no sisi Jonas eneye twini Jonas eneye ba ono Kennedy Japan de wa yire mu kra. I say he is not even making sense at all. Therefore I have read so far, I can say ebia close to 20 comments, not even a single comment. And if I can say where the Kennedy Japan analysis awaye papa because people know said dabi masa asomewhere oba kan ye die entwa ye obi nso atem didi awode ban ni. Was say he's very stupid for saying this, honestly. So he going to get investment into bracket borrow means he should continue spending the money on private aircraft. I can't imagine he could say that. At this point, all the ministers should resign. It's becoming too much. To be asama wa kan no. So one jin to musa Kennedy Japan betumi aka bibi say, "Hey, dabi we there entwa ye." Was say he went to sleep. Obi nso say it is a loan and loans come with interest. So how the hell is it okay for the president to spend that much on planes for him to think it's okay? Someone explained this to him, shaking my fucking head. Obi nso say something seems wrong with Kennedy. Was it what here that be as a Kennedy Japan bibi enchaye. I say this man is always lying. I say you spend the country's millions to go borrow more millions and you think you are doing us good? Stupid leaders. I think the day I will be so ediaba. So far you can see a lot of comments. Ankrofo edeba nini na, not even a single commenter. Obi beka say oh wait there someone can Japan can we side with him. Mama what you say? That is why I initially gave you the background of this particular Instagram page. Omu yenkrofo bia then times Kennedy Japan wasemba ni ye kamano. And there we because they've all realized say sa sem na wo ba bonte meka ne de ne krane nyame ne mentwa ye ba ku sei. Montram wa your comment box ni mo me da ase.